Welcome to our tutorial about first-time requests. In our previous tutorial, we touched a little on the post-back concept. That's when information gets sent from a website to a server, and the server then reloads the page. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to distinguish between first-time requests, when a user first comes to your website application, and when a user submits a post-back request. Let me drag a label out here from the toolbox. Let's name it LBL Hello. And let's remove the default text from the text property field. The most logical event procedure for this is a page load event. Visual Studio prepares the handles for us. Let's delete both of these event procedures. The page load event will execute every time the page is reloaded. Now let's type some code. LBL hello dot text equals, and here I'll type something like hello visitor. Now let's load our application. And of course, every time the page reloads, we'll see the message hello visitor. But let's say when my user enters his name here, I want the message to update to something more personal like hello first name. Let's talk about how we can do this. I'm going to write some code and then I'll explain what it means in a minute. If me dot is postback equals false, then. And let's drag this line of code into our if statement. Okay, what's happened here? We're working with a class named default, which inherits properties from the system.web.ui.page class. The keyword me here replaces the word page. You can use the word page here instead as well. Basically, it goes like this. If the property of the if postback page is false, then this line of code will execute. Basically, if the reload of the web page doesn't result from a postback, this line of code will be executed. Else, and let's right-click and copy, and then paste. Ampersand, txt, period, text. Now let's load the page. Okay, now we have our message, hello visitor. Let me enter a name, Tom, in the name field and click next. Now my message updates to read hello Tom. If this is still confusing, hang in there. It's going to get more clear as we keep moving along. And this concludes our tutorial about first-time requests.